Hi, this is Anna,
and Isaiah.
and this is our Android project.
So our app is called Find the Dot, and this is how it works. So you click begin, and then it asks for permission to take pictures and record video. Click allow, and then it accesses your photo and media, and you click allow. So when you select or capture an image from your camera or your gallery, and you try the camera. So we take this picture, and then it displays it right here. And once we click start game, a random dot is generated on the screen, and basically you just gotta find where the dot is. So the dot is right here. So then once you click the dot, you get this congratulations message. So this is our manifest file. Then the code we wrote is just this right here, which requests permission to use the camera to write external storage and to read the external storage. So our first screen is the main activity. It's called main activity, and it's where you click begin. So we wrote this on create. So when you click the button to begin, it opens up a new activity. This activity over here, where it asks you to take an image with your camera or choose an image from your gallery. So we have a lot of code here. So first, this is some code where the dialog pops up asking you to select a photo from your gallery or capture an image from using your camera. So then once you choose whether you want it from your gallery or camera, it calls one of these functions, which in turn calls this, which determines like what like actions are taken like once you decide whether you want it from your camera or gallery. And then once you choose the image from your gallery or camera, it saves the image into a new folder, and that's what this does. And this is a code that requests the permission to access your camera and your external storage.
And so once you click on the start game button right here, it triggers this function to open the game. And then here is where the actual game takes place. So we have two different image views, one for the actual photo and then one for the dot. And basically once you click on that start game button, this part generates the picture that you selected from your gallery or took from your camera. And then this part right here, it generates the circle at the dot at the random position on the photo. And once you click on the circle right here, it triggers this function right here, which directs you to this page, which just basically tells you that you found the dot. And that's it.
So now we just want to show you a little bit more of our app. So when you click select or capture image, so this is the gallery where you can choose photos from, and this folder called photos is where the image is saved once you select it. So yeah, and then the dot is generated. Like when you click around, did I click not on the dot?
Say that again when you click around.
So when you click around, you see it doesn't work. And then once you motherfucking bitch.
Say it again.
So when you're clicking around, right, it doesn't work, but once you get up to onto the dot is when you get the message. So I'm the one who did most of the code that requests you to select an image or to capture an image from your camera. And some like troubles I had were just getting it to work because we tried a lot of different things. Like a lot of them didn't work, but finally we found this that actually worked. And then Anna did most of this code in the game activity, and she had technical difficulties just trying to generate the dot to a random location on the image.
This is my GitHub 81027 that has our project on it. And as you can see, Isaiah is a contributor to this. And we both worked on different laptops. So something that we would do differently if we had more time would be if you click on this dot, instead of popping up congrats you found the dot, it would just blend in with whatever the background image is at that specific location. Another thing that we would do is that once we click on this dot, another dot will randomly appear, and then so on and so forth. We will add a timer to see how many dots you can click on within a certain amount of time. And then once that time runs out, instead of saying congrats you found the dot, it would tell you your score of how many dots you clicked on within the time limit.